In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable account numbers and review the chart of accounts in QuickBooks Online. If you're managing your business finances in QuickBooks Online, enabling account numbers can help you stay organized and maintain clarity across your chart of accounts. This feature is especially useful for businesses with a large number of accounts or those that need to comply with specific accounting standards. In this step-by-step guide, I'll walk you through how to activate account numbers, make adjustments to your chart of accounts, and ensure everything is set up correctly. If you don't already have a QuickBooks Online account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and follow along. Let's get started. First, locate the gear icon in the top right corner of your QuickBooks Online interface. This is your main settings menu. Click on the gear icon, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select the option labeled Accounts and Settings. Once you're there, you'll see a range of settings you can customize for your account. Next, navigate to the Advanced tab, which you can find in the left-hand panel. Click on it to open the Advanced Settings section. Now, scroll through this section until you come across the Chart of Accounts area. This is where we'll be enabling account numbers. In the Chart of Accounts section, you'll see an option to enable account numbers. There's a toggle switch to activate this feature. Simply click the toggle to turn it on. Once the toggle is enabled, look for the Save button. Click this to apply your changes. After saving, click Done to exit the Settings menu and return to the main interface. Now that account numbers are enabled, let's review the Chart of Accounts to see the changes. Go back to the gear icon at the top right corner of the page and click on it again. This time, select Chart of Accounts from the navigation options. Here you'll see your Chart of Accounts displayed as a table. Notice the new column specifically for account numbers. This is where you'll be adding or editing the numbers for each account. To edit an account, click on the account you'd like to modify within the Chart of Accounts. Once selected, choose the Edit option for that account. This will open a window where you can make changes. Look for the field designated for the account number and enter the number you want to assign to that account. When you're done, click Save to confirm the changes. And that's it! You've successfully enabled account numbers and updated your chart of accounts in QuickBooks Online. This setup will make it easier to organize and identify your accounts moving forward. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.